guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're off to the Victorian High Country. A friend of mine dropped me a GPS point and he said, Ed, found a new secret camp spot. Beauty, I'm going. So it's getting a bit chilly down here in Melbourne, or Victoria as you would say, and we're getting up to winter soon, so some of these tracks will be closed up in the High Country due to, you know, the just annual closures, seasonal closures, just to make sure that the tracks are kept in really good condition all the time. So load the FJ, got the swag in the back, pillar, bit of food. I've just got to go get some fuel for the FJ, fuel for me. So as soon as I find a survey where the fuel is the right price, which is actually, it's always a little bit cheaper when you get away from Melbourne, and I'll fill the car up and head on up there and see how we go. All right, I'll see you when I get my lunch. Well, filled the car up, got myself a healthy lunch, pie, which is going to be yummy, and just in case the pie is a little bit fattening, I've got a Coke, no sugar, little can, you know how it is. All right, I'll just keep on going, just in Traralgon, so not far to go now. I'll be there by, I don't know, 5ish. All right, let's hit the road.
Should be halfway to the secret spot by now.
How did you know?
There's an
Well, looks like we're at camp. Boys, are I set up one of the teas ready yet, or dinner? Couldn't say hello, eh? What do you reckon? Tents, things everywhere here. Find out where those boys are. I can't see them. Check that out. This is fantastic. This is a super secret camp spot, guys. I'm not even going to tell you where it is, but how's the view? Straight in the sun. Birds! Oh, I'll go find them now. How's this for a view, eh? Have a check that out behind me there. I'm camping over there tonight. Got the swag out. And you wouldn't believe it's a toasty 4 degrees up here at the moment. Now I can't tell you where this campsite is because I've been sworn to secrecy. And if I do, my mate Tony will kill me.
Sun's gone down.
See, the sun's going down now.
Stay there, Nick. Don't move.
So how's that for a cracking view? Now this is a secret camp spot. Can't tell you where it is. I'm not allowed to. Been sworn to secrecy. And we've got young Tucken. Tucken's chopping our wood for tonight because he's going to keep us warm. Well, eventually. And there's Tony. This is the man who knows all the secret spots in the High Country. Shh. Morning, everyone. It's a balmy 1 degree. It's a bit chilly. Sorry about the beanie, but you know how it is. Well, we had a good night last night. We killed a couple of bottles of scotch. Wow. Tucken's leftover scotch, and he's got the fire going, so that's really good. Just give you a bit of a look at my view behind me. How's that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? So this is my camp spot. This is that secret camp spot I got to last night. So yeah, this is pretty good. I'll take you for a bit of a wander, eh? I'll go around, I'll show you a loo with a view. You ready? Here we go. I'll spin the camera around. This is our loo with a view. I know, a bit of luxury camping, but you know how it is. There's the throne. We'll go inside and have a look at my loo with a view. How's that for a view? Absolutely stunning. All right, Tucken's got the fire going. I'll put the billy on, have some brekkie, and get stuck in. Don't know what the day's going to be like today. We'll just go with the flow, eh? All right, here we go. All right, so this is lunch. Again, there's Tucken. He had a big brekkie this morning. So he's having a sleep after chopping all that wood. There's young Nick. Can't show you his face, he's a dentist.
To the back of me.
And he's cooking us up some sausages for lunch. We've got venison sausages and wild boar. And this is our beautiful dining room for lunch. All right, we're looking forward to this.
Great day, isn't it?
Right. Yep.
Everyone's coming up.
He's got, oh man.
What's this we're drinking?
Well, he must be a good
Gully
bloke. He's
drink.
got a 105
Gully drink.
Series.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All blokes with those 105 series are good blokes.
What is it? Pineapple.
Everyone's coming up to tell me secrets.
What is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Lemon. Welcome to Tucken's Outdoor Kitchen Adventures. Hey, and what are we having for tea tonight, Tuck?
Yeah, a very Australian dish.
It is?
Yeah, biryani.
Oh, biryani. I never had it.
Coals itself.
Oh, you never had it.
No, never had it. So we've got the coals happening,
Yep.
and these are all of your very important ingredients.
Yep, we've got onions, we've got shallots.
We've got onions.
Onions, shallots, we've got fresh coriander and mint.
Oh,
We've got minced ginger and garlic.
yeah.
We've got the masala spices, both powdered and whole.
Oh.
We've got some tomatoes to go in there. And very importantly, today we'll be doing it with some wild boar.
Wild boar.
Meat. This is ghee, the proper stuff. None of that mono unsaturated things. Those are things that are terrible for you. This is the proper, fully saturated animal fat. Yeah, go hard or go home.
We're happy with that. All right, so we'll get on to cooking. That's Tuck's Outdoor Kitchen. All right, here we are. We're back with Tucken's Kitchen. Okay, now, we sort of jumped ahead a little bit. Sorry about that, but you know how it is. You get excited at camp. What have we done, Tucken?
Yeah, well, we have put in all our spices and so on, and then we've chucked in the tomatoes. We put in some water, and the meat's gone in. So now we've also put in half a tub of yogurt, and we've given it a good stir. And what we're going to do now is we're going to let it slowly bring to the boil, and then we're going to simmer it until the meat is just short of tender. Look like now. Okay, this needs to cook on a little bit longer.
Okay. And what's in the silver wrappers?
Oh, I don't know. It's his stuff.
Sausages, my that side. That's garlic bread, isn't it? I know it's garlic bread. You bought that for the Aussie bloke, didn't you? Good on you.
Nice mixture. And it's gonna cook itself up, absorb all those amazing flavors from the gravy. And a little bit more, we've got eggs going in. So eggs are gone in like that. We put on the lid. And where's my lid? So you can see here's the lid, and we've just made a very simple dough. Make it sticky, and it's just water and flour, and put it on top. Now, all there, everything's infused, both into the rice and the spices into the meat. It's perfect. It's beautiful, if I may say so myself.
Tucken's dishing it up.
Nice.
And this is how you go camping in the high country.
There you are. Wild Boar Biryani.
Thank you, Tucken. Chef Tucken.
Oh, I better turn these off. You can't see.
Hey guys and girls, well, we didn't do much today. We basically sat around camp, drank lots of coffee, if you know what I mean, ate lots of beautiful food. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, enjoy the sunset. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.